locked out of using Apple Cash because of your age. Don't worry, we're breaking down exactly how to fix that in this video. First, let's confirm your date of birth is correctly entered in your Apple ID on your iPhone. Open the Settings app, then tap your name at the very top to access your Apple ID profile. Next, select Personal Information and then tap on Date of Birth. Make sure this is accurate and reflects your real birthday. If it's wrong, update it now. You will have to verify through a two-factor authentication. If your birthday is already correct, the next step is to verify your identity within the Wallet app. Go back to the main settings menu and scroll down to Wallet and Apple Pay. Tap on Apple Cash. You may see a prompt to verify identity here. Follow the on-screen instructions, which may involve providing your social security number and other personal information so Apple can confirm your age and identity. If you're still facing issues after verifying everything, it's time to contact Apple support directly. Go to Apple's support website on your computer or another device that's separate. Applicom, search for Apple Cash and look for the option to contact support by phone or chat. Explain your age verification issue to the Apple support representative. They can often provide further assistance and manually resolve the problem on their end. And that's it. Once your age is successfully verified, you should be able to use Apple Cash without any restrictions. Make sure to verify your account details and subscribe for more tech tips.